This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Bryce C. Jones, PC, broker less than bedroom greater than ABR, CRS, ePro, GRI, RSBS, SFR. Located in Sunriver's quiet south end and very close to the Deschutes River, 8 Deschutes Lane is the perfect Sunriver home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a loft, and nothing to do but enjoy. Over the last few years, the home has had decks replaced, been painted in and out, has had new cabinets, countertops, and engineered hardwood floors installed, a new heat pump, windows, and more. The primary suite has vaulted ceilings. The updated kitchen overlooks the living area and there is nice deck out back. The garage is extra deep with a wonderful breezeway/deck area connecting to the home. There is even a sauna. This home is perfect for a full-time residence or has a proven rental history if you choose to use it as a second home. For over 50 years, Sunriver has been that special place where